Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make an Oculus account without Facebook. So many people are searching about this theory on the internet. So actually you did this on the Oculus application. I mean you can create an account without the Facebook on the class or not. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all, you have to download the Oculus application from your Play Store. When you will open it, after that you have to click on it. So many people are making video, you can simply click on the having an Oculus account. Give your email address and then click on the forget password. So all that videos are fake. There is no way to create a Oculus account without the Facebook. You must have to create Facebook account first to get access on the Oculus app. So this is the only way you won't be able or you want to sign up on the Oculus without the Facebook. So this was the process by which you can make an Oculus account without Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.